Banakuba, how are you?
Me? Very well, Mama. Very well. You want meat?
Banakuba, I want meat. How's your meat? Is it good?
Good, Mama. Good and fresh. Can you see me there in the picture slaughtering a bull?
From what part will you give me?
Any part you want, Mama. Whatever you ask for. I'm here to serve you.
That, I hope it's fresh.
Completely fresh, Mama. Number one. How much do you want?
A shilling worth only, unless you want to give me more on credit.
No, not today.
I want of that only.
Yes, but you want good and fresh meat, isn't it? This is very good. See? Excellent. Number one gift for you.
I don't want it.
Okay, your wish. Is this one you wanted?
That's it. Now you know it. What's that you're doing? I didn't ask for stones. I don't want it. Remove them at once.
Mama, they aren't stones. They are very good bones with plenty of weight in them. See? Excellent. Grade 1, eh?
What am I to do with bones? I'm not a dog.
Here's, Mama, your meat.
And here's your money, unless you don't want it.
Why not? Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. God help you.
Banakuba. Bye. Una.
Give me a pound of meat, please, like you.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, brother.
Quarrel with the butcher. Nothing. Weren't you complaining of ill treatment? I heard you shouting. Just joking with him. That butcher is very nice man. You know. Okay, goodbye.
Good meat and no bones, please.
No bones. Just a little one for your father.
Sorry, I still teeth.
Oh, I see. Dongo, Sir Dongo, just come over here, please. Quick. How are you?
Excellent. Thank you, and you.
Because you know you still have an endorsement for your sister. Please do it just now. Only a week is left before the closing date.
License? Hasn't anyone taught you how to get it? Just look at your shop! The whole floor is littered with scraps and bones. When did you last sweep it? Why is your apron is so dirty? Where is your file? And why have you cannot comb your hair? Who made Big Butcher? Look, you must get things in order before pestering me to endorse your license. Do you understand that?
I'm sorry, I didn't know about these things. But if you return next week, I promise everything will be in order. But please, I must have the license endorsed by next week.
Your business. I'm warning you. If everything is not ready by next week, I won't get your license. Is that clear?
Everything will be in order next week. I promise.
Your business.
Where is my meat?
Oh dear, yes. I'm sorry. I won't be a minute. Here it is. What's to be done? And that girl, she didn't pay me. Too late. She's already made off. Kanabay, Kanabay, just come over here, please. Quick.
Come near you is stinking meat. No, never.
This old man. Kanabay, please help me. You know that inspector, right?
That man, I know him. He's a dog. He's hungry. Yes, hungry. He wants some bones.
Bones?
Yes, bones. You still don't understand. He wants bones.
Oh, bones. Bones. Yes, I see. He wants some bones. Mondogo, good morning. How are you?
Not so well.
Not well? I'm very sorry. Anyway, I hope you've come to endorse my trading license.
Endorse the license? Just like that? With such a dirty shop?
Wait, Mr. Dongo, I almost forgot. I have something for you. I thought you wanted to take home a few bones.
Bones? Bones? What should I want with bones? Oh, bones! That's very thoughtful of you. They will come in very handy. Your shop looks really clean today. See? No cobwebs, a clean scale, a new broom, and a dustbin outside. It's the way we want it. Don't you worry about your hair. Come on, give me those forms. Just lend me your pen, please. Something gone wrong with mine.
Certainly, I'm at your service.
You bought a new pen? That's done. Now, you'll be alright, okay? Mr. Awad, go Harry.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Ah, my hat! There is it! Go Harry, go Harry.
Go ahead.
Hello, Mama. Good morning. Aren't you coming to buy meat today?
Look at your shop and at your selfie, dirty and stinking. I'm not going to buy meat from you anymore. I'm going to the next butcher, to a cleaner shop.
But Mama, I have lessons. Listen, certified and fit to sell meat for human consumption. Mama,